Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome. So in today's video, we're going to talk about fixing dry hair. Okay. So I've been getting across the board about dry hair, dryness, and all of this stuff. I wear protective style, but my hair is still dry. So I'm just going to address some things. Okay. This is something that needs to be done to fix your dry scalp and your dry hair. I want to welcome you to the video again. I pray that there's something that I say or maybe that you see that will get you to come back for more. If this is your first time here, if you've never seen me before, welcome to my channel. And I pray that there's something that I say or that you see that will get you to come back for more. If you want to be part of my jewel collection, it's totally free. Click on that subscribe button up there, press the bell, and then turn on your notifications. Now, to address dry hair, what you need to do is focus on moisturizing products. That's basically it. You have to be consistent when you focus on moisturizing products, hydrating products. This is key in order to keep our scalp and our hair from drying out. Okay. Now, when I'm stretching further, sometimes I have our granddaughter Elizabeth or my daughter Essie to put a couple of French braids in my hair, and I will leave those French braids in my hair. But before I have them braid my hair, I will saturate my scalp throughout my hair, especially the ends of my hair, with some moisture, and I will seal it in with my jojoba oil, and then they will braid my hair. That will last me for a week. You understand? Because my hair is saturated. I also check the ends of my hair. I just take it down a little bit, and if they still feel moisturizing or hydrating, I would just braid them right back up. Okay. But if you're wearing a protective style, okay, you need to wear protective styles that you can get to your own scalp and your natural hair. But just wearing protective styles and you're just putting on moisturizer and all of this stuff, it's really not getting and seeking into those fake braids that you have. Is not getting to the real hair. It's not getting to the real hair. Okay. And that's for real. And this is why our hair is breaking and drying out. Okay. So in order to fix that, you need to wear protective styles that are not damaging to your own hair and that won't dry your hair out. You need to get to your scalp and your hair using moisturizing products, hydrating products. You understand? Okay. So moisturizers are key. In the summer, when I'm stretching, when I wear my hair in a bun, I like to just, do my own DIY. I have some water. I'm not sure how much it is, maybe a bottle of water. And I would just squeeze some of my conditioner in there, as long as it's protein free. Squeeze my conditioner in there, add me a little glycerin and a little oil or castor oil, and I would use that. Now, I was watching this other woman on here, and she added honey to her oil. She had olive oil, and then she had another oil. I forgot. I think it was avocado, if I'm not mistaken. But she mixed those together, and then she had a tablespoon of raw honey, and she added that to her oil and shook it up. Okay, so you can use honey. I know you already know that, just like glycerin, there are humectants, and this will help our hair from drying out. So if you want to go that route, some people use honey in their shampoo. Some people use honey in their conditioner, they deep treatment mask, all of these. You can use honey in your oil too. Okay, I just found that out a few days ago. So I've never seen anybody do that except for her. Okay, so now I'm telling you, you can use honey in your oil. All right. Okay. So in order to fix this, you have to be consistent on and focusing on using moisturizing and hydrating products on your scalp and your hair. This will help fix that. Okay. All right. So don't have your protective style too protected. Okay. That way you can't get to none of this. You understand? And that why, so your hair won't dry out. And that's why your hair dries out and it breaks off. So in order to fix dryness, don't wear protective styles that are damaging to your hair, because you need to get to that. Okay. All right. I pray. Oh, also reduce the heat. Okay. Don't wear your braids too tight. Don't wear your protective style too tight, but you can reduce the heat. Now, I know some people use heat every other day. Every other day. Y'all just funny, but every other day you use the heat. So try not to use heat every other day. Why don't you go 2 weeks without using heat? Okay, try 2 weeks. Okay, all right. But I pray that this video helps you. If it does and it sounds good to you and you know it's true within your hearts of heart, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share it. Okay, thank you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of the week. Until then, you will see me in my another video. God bless you. Mwah! Bye.